Welcome to class, everyone! I had the great experience of meeting some amazing vegan fans just the other day, and I wanted to share with you a quick video where I tried to film our conversation and just so you could see what's going on. Before I go any further though, make sure you press the like button if you like this kind of thing, the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos of mine. Now go vegan!
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Okay, so these are some nice young ladies who came up to me and said that they're vegan. And so how long have you guys been vegan?
I've been vegan for 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah. No, I've been vegan for 6 years.
My God, that is so cool.
Yeah.
And you?
Sorry, just tripped. I've been vegan for a year. Me and my sister converted around the same time.
Right, so this is the star from my other video I just bumped into. So that's really great. Oh my God.
No, like at first, like she stopped. Because remember I told you in the video, but she did it again, I guess.
It was a little hard at first.
At first, what did you find was the hardest?
I don't know, just to make meals, but then I just got a cookbook.
Let's go on the way because there's a family coming here.
I got a cookbook that shows me how to make different meals.
Yeah?
So it's definitely easier, and her mom showed me some recipes.
Yeah.
So.
Your mom's
Like
vegan?
supplements, yeah.
That's so great.
Honestly, like, once you find the right supplements, like beans, chickpeas, like all those things, you know, it's like you make salads.
Her mom makes the best food of
Oh,
food.
yeah?
Oh, it's so good.
Honestly, guys, like, it's honestly just, it's difficult to find supplements, but once you do and get in the groove of it, it's honestly so much better.
Yeah, and when you mean supplements, you're not meaning vitamin supplements.
no,
you're meaning
just,
substitutes.
Yeah, substitute.
Like, yeah,
meat.
yeah, like lentils
protein.
are great for
Yeah,
protein,
exactly.
right? And you can just like chickpeas,
Yeah.
rice,
Exactly,
and all kinds of stuff.
Lentils. Lentils are protein, lentils are great. Google vegan recipes so you can appreciate their flavor, their texture, and that they're cruelty free. A cup has 18 grams of protein, so come be vegan with me.
That's so cool. And what made you decide to be vegan? I guess, did your mom tell you
Honestly, yeah,
all
I mean,
about it?
Yeah, but like I felt like just really like ill once I was eating a bunch of meat and everything, and it's just like it didn't feel right. And honestly, like I feel so much better when I'm not eating meat and just like
Just for me, my skin
like just
cleared
dairy
up.
and all that
My
stuff.
skin cleared up
Dairy
when I
makes you so
became
bloated,
vegan.
and just like it doesn't make your body feel good.
Okay.
You want to make eat your body, like you want to eat stuff.
You want
your
it-
body will feel good about.
You want it? Yeah, you don't want to eat death.
Exactly. It
Right.
just doesn't feel right. It
Right.
doesn't feel right eating dead or like just products or
So
something.
when you guys are out, do you go and get vegan ice cream?
Yeah, we try to
I
like,
tried-
find as much like vegan restaurants as we
I
can.
tried oat milk ice cream at the
Oh,
Wild
yeah.
Willie's.
Yeah.
I
I always
had
get
that.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great. Yeah.
Honestly, it's so much better. Honestly, vegan, like everything vegan is so much
So
better.
what advice would you give people who are hi, bye?
I would give, like, my advice would be to, you know, be open-minded and try new things and don't hate so quickly. Like,
Right.
try new things and not just try a couple things, like try a bunch of things first and
Yeah.
then, you know what I mean? Like, you have
Don't
to
be
try
closed-minded,
Exactly,
yeah.
try first and
Yeah.
then judge. You can't just be like, oh, vegan, that's disgusting. Because that's what, you know, that's what everybody says at first. It's like they're programmed to think like that.
Yeah.
Because everybody else around them thinks, oh, vegan's gross, vegan's,
Yeah.
I mean,
They think it's, like,
vegan's disgusting.
extreme.
Exactly. It doesn't have to
Yeah.
do that. Like, incorporate it more in your diet and, you know, find new things that are good for you. It's like, don't force yourself to do something you don't want to do, but like,
And there's so many
so
sites,
many
right? There's so many TikTok channels and Instagram, and like you could just find tons of creators who are creating recipes,
Exactly.
all different styles of people.
if you're putting effort to eat, you might as well put effort to find something that's vegan and good for your body.
Yeah, good. And did you guys see anything about the animals? Like, did you?
Well, I used to follow your TikTok until it got banned, I think, or deleted,
Okay.
unfortunately.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would
Yeah, I
always,
have a few new ones
Oh,
now,
you do?
but
Okay,
yeah.
I'll try to find you.
Yeah.
But yeah, mainly from your videos, I would see stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was kind of hardcore for the animals, right? I was always
honestly, yeah.
telling people like that's the real reason, because if you're not vegan for the animals, then the second that you know feel a bit tired, you're going to blame it on, oh, it's the food, but it's not. It's never that. Like I know, I mean, I've had people that have become vegan and then they're like, oh, I don't feel good, I need a piece of fish. And no, you don't. You just need a big handful of nuts, and you need a big bowl of
And nuts are so good for you.
dates and
Good.
yeah.
Be good. I love smoothies every morning. Me and my sister makes them with
Bananas,
nuts,
strawberries, almond milk, all those things.
Okay, do you put anything green in your smoothies too? Yeah, because you can't even really taste it, right? Put a
Spinach
big,
is my favorite. It's like
yeah, you put a big handful, you don't even really taste
So
it.
easy in 2 seconds.
Right.
All your favorite things, then you're good to go.
Yeah. So what are your names?
I'm Suzana.
Suzana?
Mia.
Mia?
Athena.
And Athena I met before, yeah. So since you were on my other video, did anybody else see it, or like from your friends?
Yeah, people in my class saw it too.
Yeah, there's your buddy over there. I was like, what's going on? People in your class saw it? Okay. Well, anyways, yeah, it was really nice seeing you. Thanks for helping to talk about veganism on my channel. And maybe I'll bump into you guys sometime. If you want to follow me right now, the account I have on TikTok at the moment is called Music by That Vegan Teacher. And you know, people, yeah, I mean, people are always still trying to ban me because I tell the truth and they don't like that.
People can't handle the
But
truth. That's why. People can't handle the truth.
that's right, they can't handle the truth. But there's nothing wrong with the truth. I mean,
Exactly.
you know,
We need more people like you telling the truth.
thank
People
you.
can't handle it, but it's true.
Thank you so
Awareness,
much.
honestly.
And thanks a lot for stopping and for helping the animals. It's so great. Okay, thanks. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow.